Think you know Spain? You might picture sunny beaches and flamenco dancers. Think again. Spain holds secrets far beyond the typical tourist trail. Most people just hit Barcelona or Madrid, snap a few photos, maybe buy a souvenir or two, and call it a day. They barely scratch the surface of what this country has to offer. But the wildest, most jaw-dropping buildings are hidden far from the tourist crowds. They're tucked away in unexpected corners of the country. Today we're skipping the obvious and diving into Spain's secret architectural wonders. Monasteries in mountains, houses on cliffs, palaces from another world. Prepare to witness structures that defy imagination. This is not your average travel vlog, it's an architectural treasure hunt. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's go. Our journey through Spain begins, and our first stop is truly something special. Monasterio de San Juan de la Peña. Prepare to be amazed by this incredible location. This place isn't just situated on a mountain, it's an integral part of it. It's ingeniously tucked under a massive overhanging rock, providing both shelter and a breathtaking visual. The entrance is dramatic, almost like a real-life supervillain lair, hidden away from the world. It sparks the imagination, doesn't it? For centuries, it served as a vital spiritual center, a place of reflection and devotion, and a formidable fortress, standing strong against the passage of time. Legend even whispers that it may have secretly hidden the Holy Grail, adding to its mystique. The Romanesque cloister, a beautiful open-air space, is exposed to the elements, allowing nature to become part of the architecture. It features intricately carved capitals, showcasing the artistry of the medieval stonework. These carved columns stand right against the raw, untouched mountainstone, creating a stunning contrast. Here, architecture and nature are seamlessly fused, a testament to human ingenuity. There's no fighting the mountain here, no attempt to dominate the landscape. It's all about working with it, respecting the natural contours and integrating the structure harmoniously. It's truly a masterclass in design, a lesson in how to build in harmony with nature. It's also the ultimate hideout, a place of seclusion and mystery. The bar is set incredibly high with this first stop. It's going to be an amazing architectural journey through Spain, if this is anything to go by. Next, Cuenca's hanging houses literally dangling off a cliff. Built in the 1400s, these homes defy gravity and logic, jutting out over a gorge. Imagine sipping coffee with a 100-meter drop outside your window. Today they house an abstract art museum fitting for buildings that shouldn't exist. Walking through, you feel the thrill and the risk. These aren't just houses, they're statements. Now we time travel to Merida's Roman theater. Nearly 2,000 years old, it still hosts shows every summer. The Romans built it for 6,000 people, with stagecraft that included mock naval battles and flying actors. Standing on stage, you feel the echoes of ancient crowds. This isn't a ruin, it's a living piece of history. Watching a play here connects you to centuries of entertainment. History comes alive in every stone seat. Prepare to be amazed by the Mosque Cathedral of Cordoba, a place where history and faith intertwine in the most extraordinary way. It's not just a building, it is an architectural mashup, a testament to the passage of time and the confluence of cultures. This is a structure like no other, a place where the echoes of different eras resonate within its walls. Its story began as a grand mosque, a symbol of Islamic presence in Spain. Step inside and get lost in a forest of columns, adorned with seemingly endless red and white arches, a visual spectacle that defies description. Centuries later, a Renaissance cathedral was built, rising right in the center of the mosque. This bold move created a dramatic architectural contrast, a juxtaposition of styles that is both jarring and beautiful. But the surprises don't end there. Around the edges, hidden chapels show off the artistic styles that have marked the passage of time. You'll find Gothic, Baroque, and intricate Islamic art, all coexisting in the same sacred space. It's a stunning display of side-by-side artistic expression. Don't miss the Capilla de Villaviciosa, which carefully preserves the mosque's oldest beauty, a testament to its rich heritage. This building tells Spain's story, a narrative of faith, power, and artistic innovation. It's a place where cultures are clashing, and ultimately, blending together in a unique harmony. One moment you're admiring intricate Arabic calligraphy, the next you're gazing upon a dazzling golden altar. It's dizzying, a sensory overload of architectural wonders. It's breathtaking, a testament to human creativity and devotion. And it's totally unique, a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that will leave you in awe. Exploring here feels like stepping into another world, like unlocking a secret level of history and art, a journey you won't soon forget. Welcome to Albarracín, a pink-hued fortress village frozen in time. Perched on a rocky peak, its winding streets are a medieval maze. No cars, just cobblestone alleys and jaw-dropping views. Every corner reveals a new postcard scene. The houses lean together, their balconies almost touching. It's not a tourist trap, it's a living, breathing fairy tale, pure magic, waiting to be explored. Everyone knows Gaudi, but few visit his secret lab, the crypt at Colonia Güell. Here he tested wild ideas. Tilted columns, organic forms, stained glass like butterfly wings. He used hanging models to perfect gravity-defying arches. The unfinished church reveals the raw genius behind Sagrada Familia. It's like peeking into Gaudi's mind. This place is the blueprint for his masterpieces. The magic started right here. Last stop, Valencia's Palace of the Marque de dos Aguas. The entrance is a jaw-dropping alabaster sculpture, more art than architecture. Inside every room is a sensory overload of gold, silk, and history. The Marquis wanted to outdo everyone. And he did. Sometimes the most extravagant wonders are hiding in plain sight. Beauty is everywhere, if you know where to look. That's a wrap. We uncovered Spain's hidden architectural wonders. These places aren't just buildings. They're adventures and stories waiting for you. There's always more to discover, and I'm already planning the next journey. If you loved this, smash that like button and tell me your favorite spot in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more off-the-beaten-path adventures. Thanks for watching.